Where are all the hidden moons in Super Mario Odyssey? Imagine exploring a vibrant world filled with surprises at every turn. Super Mario Odyssey offers players the thrill of discovery through its numerous hidden secrets, including a collection of elusive moons that are not immediately visible. These secret moons add a layer of depth and challenge to the game, encouraging players to explore every nook and cranny of each kingdom. Hidden moons in Super Mario Odyssey are often tucked away in less obvious locations, requiring players to perform specific actions or solve puzzles to uncover them. For example, in the Mushroom Kingdom, some moons are concealed behind breakable blocks or hidden inside objects like trees or structures. In the Cascade Kingdom, players might find moons behind waterfalls or inside caves that are accessible only after completing certain tasks or using specific power-ups. In the Sand Kingdom, many secret moons are hidden beneath the surface or behind breakable walls. For instance, some moons are located behind large sand dunes that can be uncovered by using the super jump or by revealing hidden pathways with the capture ability. The Lake Kingdom hides moons in underwater caves or behind waterfalls, requiring players to dive or use the capture mechanic to access these areas. The Wooded Kingdom features moons hidden in tree canopies or inside hollow logs, often requiring players to climb or use the rocket flower to reach elevated spots. In the Cloud Kingdom, some moons are found behind cloud barriers or inside floating structures that need precise platforming skills to access. The Lost Kingdom and other later worlds also contain secret moons tucked away in hidden alcoves, behind breakable barriers, or inside secret rooms accessible through specific actions. To find these hidden moons, players should pay close attention to environmental clues, interact with objects, and experiment with Mario's abilities. Listening for sound cues, observing suspicious structures, and exploring off the beaten path are key strategies. Many secret moons are revealed after completing side quests, discovering hidden pathways, or performing unique actions like hitting specific objects or using the capture mechanic on certain creatures or objects. In summary, all the hidden moons in Super Mario Odyssey are scattered throughout each kingdom, often concealed behind environmental features or requiring specific actions to reveal. Exploring thoroughly, experimenting with Mario's abilities, and paying attention to visual and auditory cues are essential to uncovering every secret moon and completing the game's full collection.